Well, people, here I am underneath the car. After racing yesterday, I noticed the smell of diff fluid. And then I get under it this morning, and I see this compared to this. And I think the axle might have broken off in there, but as you can see, I started disassembling things, taking off the diff. I already got the diff brace and some other parts off. But yeah, I'm just under here trying to get this done. And I really want to make the Hemi shootout, so I'll see how this goes.
Let's go. Tesla 2, 1 and 2. No time, Tesla 2, 3 and 4. Motorcycle 7 and 8.
Well, here we are, guys. Looks like that the axle broke in the diff, because as you can see, I can pull this side out no problem. This side is locked in with the C-clip still. Just having a bitch of a time getting this one out still. I hope it's not like in the diff. The splines are messed up, but keep going. Hopefully I'll get it out soon. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the axle out of the differential. The splines are twisted in there, and I don't want to damage the axle for warranty work from GForce. I'm going to try to get on a phone call with High Horse Performance, who I bought them through, and see what they can do for me. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Hopefully, I don't have to buy another set of these again, because this will be my third set of axles for the season, and yeah, it's getting expensive. But hey, keep it funky, and I'll see you in the next video.